MPCC President Gaikangam alleges BJP government of violating Indian Constitution's Article 166 Clause 3, demands fresh Lok Sabha polls for Manipur. CCSK condemns political tug-of-war by state leaders amid doldrums over various existing unsolved issues and restlessness in the state. And Manipur backs overall team champion of 8th Thang Ta Federation Cup 2019 held in Tripura since June 12. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joy Srusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Gaikangam has alleged the BJP-led state government of violating rules of business of Manipur and allocation business rule under Article number 166 Clause 3 of the Indian Constitution. He also drew the attention of the Election Commission of India for repolling of 17th Lok Sabha election in both inner and outer Manipur constituencies. Speaking to media at his quarter in Babupara today, the former Deputy Chief Minister stated that release of over 2 crore rupees by a finance minister alone is against the constitutional rules of business of Manipur and allocation business rule. He reminded that as per an executive order, the Chief Minister's approval is required for the same. He asserted that withdrawal of large amount of funds by the Works and Power Department during the recent imposition of Election Model Code of Conduct shows that the government has utilized money power to carry out booth capture in the last election. Hence, the recent election was not free and fair.
Election with the Hydokre, Sakash form Tokre, Adumopu, MP Ani say, Taki say, Karen Lauraga declared Tokyo for the say, Sumba, unfair means in a raga. Sarova Sempa Mama, no Poga, Madu influence Torga, vote a say, home MP Anishiki, outer remedy inner Parliament constituency. Vote Torga Haido Kare Kana Tokido, Madu recall to Pantui. Means it should be treated as null and void. Ramadan Masi elections Hanban Chungani Habisakudi demand.
Meanwhile, proscribed People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak Progressive Pro in a press release condemned the overdraft notice issued by the Reserve Bank of India RBI over and above the already existing alleged atrocities by security forces in the state. It also condemns the state leaders for remaining silent on the notice. Committee of Civil Society Kangleipak CCSK expressed a shock at the present conduct of the state government amid doldrums over various existing unsolved issues and restlessness in the state. Speaking to media at CCSK office in Chekon today, CCSK President Jitendra Ningomba condemned that leaders of the state are being selfish in eyeing for their ministerial post by turning their back to core issues facing the state like threat on territorial integrity, indigenous inhabitants and various other issues. Taking part in the press meet, CCSK advisor Joy Chingakham stressed on the plights facing people of the state due to a heavy increase in price of essential commodities and various other unresolved issues. Calling for unity and harmony among communities of the state, he warns the government not to ploy hatred among communities. Joy Chingakham warned both the state and central governments of an agitation even more intense than that of June 18 uprising if the communal harmony and integrity of the state is ever impinged upon.
Citizenship Amendment Bill say India government channel putaraksu the provision ama happen gani law khraga hojik taning aba Citizenship Amendment Bill channel ni ju haire batanja hayeng sinok pass to rom dai gi tanja sida Manipur miyam gi damok khalle harga Manipur miyam gi damok leigadaba tanja sida mokoi masel mungdarak pai se masi Manipur people sing accept tau de sugum le war batanja sida imung manung khana bada mokoi masel solve tau no khona mo tamda adum asom distalaga mina wayen gani haiba gi wakalo lebe se Manipur miyam sungya yade hojik political gi oiba yam chaw issue sina मरम ओइदना पाइनिंग इबो मयम सिंगसे पाइबा फंगदेदना पियार का थमजिलक्तना तौरे हारगा राजनीति मयम सिंग पोले तरकांदा मणिपुर मियाम पामदा पोतो तौखिगदरा हाइबि चिंगना बदुमा फौजै
सरकार से स्टेबल ओहेनबा मणिपुर द लाइरिबा तंगदु लाइताद्रबा वाटलिबा मयम से मसी मेंशन मोनमदा मणिपुर सरकार अमदि सेंट्रल सरकार न मसे अखोई दायित्व लौगदमने
Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch in a press release extended solidarity to Indian Medical Association's IMA's 24-hour nationwide cease work strike, including non-essential services at OPD in hospitals on June 17 against the brutal trashing of one Dr. Paribha Mukherjee at NRS Medical College in West Bengal. IMA Manipur State Branch appeals to every private and government hospitals in the state to join the protest. Meanwhile, Shiza Hospitals has extended solidarity to IMA's initiative. In a press release, it informed that the OPD and operation of the hospital will remain closed on June 17. Patsoi MLA A.K. Mirabai vouched for increment of fund under Housing for All scheme from 1,50,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees. She stated the same at the inaugural event of 2 Anganwadi centers and 12 houses constructed under Housing for All scheme enclosed with MLA Local Area Development Fund for families below the poverty line in Patsoi constituency today. MLA A.K. Mirabai stated that the amount of 1.5 lakh rupees under the scheme is not sufficient to construct a proper house. Hence, the constructions were enclosed with MLA Local Area Development Fund.
केंद्र सिदा स्वथन लेरबा प्रजासिंग असिबु हगोटपा ngamnaba masagi moromdom hingjaba ngamnaba gidamakta pangba yaba mateng MLA Local Area Development Fund na cover toba area da tonga tongan ba scheme gi makhada welfare tongnaba gidamakta isamakki Baikay dagi ayamba miyeng asi changduna committee ama seme haraga committee dugi makada haiba akoi MLA Local Area Development Fund sina tam dugi akoi program da hapaga sumaina sarakpa adumba yumsingni loinana makata na hoje akoi handaki chahi sidaida akoi angamba sumaina akoi gi laita laira orba yum samagi mathakta akoi sage haina target tauri.
A JC was formed against the mysterious death of booster Khongban Tabam and critical injury of Laisram Sanatomba, who is currently unconscious and undergoing treatment in a hospital. The JC demanded the authorities concerned to serve justice to booster Khongban Tabam and Laisram Sanatomba. A public meeting condemning the incident was held at the community hall of Kwakaitel Awang Kungjeng Lekai today. Vice President of NEIDP State Unit Oina Malaysia, elected members of Panchayat of the area and many people attended the meeting. They decided to support the initiatives of the JSC. Speaking to media, JSC convener W. Shanti expressed suspicion that booster Khongban Tabam and Laisram Sanatomba might not have met with mere road mishap, but they must have been victims of a planned murder. She also stated that the JSC condemns Sub-Inspector of Lamshang Police Vishwanath for his alleged misconducts regarding the unfortunate incident. It may be mentioned that 28-year-old booster Khongban Tabam, son of Khongban Tabam Damo, was found dead, and Laisram Sanatomba, son of late Tomba, was found unconscious at the adjoining area of Mayang Langjing and Phumlau under Lamshang police station on June 11. As per police report, Booster and Sanatomba, who were riding a two-wheeler vehicle Honda Activa, might have met with a road accident.
Ngangsigi masada karimata sokte aduga magi oi thangba khajai sida khajitang sokpa lei aduga marei sisi ami aduga masa mako chitnali ai masa hakcheng nani na hangdoga ai loina yengje hawi ada ayo da hangba matamda ayo sina ma gari asidagi soga khara lapna gari de sambal amada gari si thetlaga leirami masana lapna leirami haibigi paudam ge amatamgi kamaina sibano haibigi matangda khoina thinna bagi damakta SB da DGP da adagi mari leinaba police department khuding application chesang kudingmak thorang tawram matungda akoina angangsigi langla langjin thinanba thorang ado khoi kanna paikhatsanaba thorang tawjaragi.
Proscribed Kanglei Park Communist Party Military Council in a press release has imposed public curfew from June 22nd on Little Flower School, St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Catholic School, Kanchipur, Nimlaba School and Christ Jyoti under Catholic Education Society Manipur on account of preaching Christianity and to end the alleged cultural imperialism. The outfit has warned school van service operators, teaching and non-teaching staff and students of these schools not to attend schools during the curfew. One-day media sensitization workshop on making diagnosis and management of hepatitis C a priority was held at Hotel Classic in North AOC today. Journalists from various local media firms and members of NGOs took part in the workshop organized jointly by Foundation for Innovative Diagnostic FIND and YRG Care. Speaking in the program, Joint Director of Manipur AIDS Control Society, Dr. Abhiram Mongjam, stated that the rate of HIV and hepatitis co-infection is 64.9% in Manipur. He maintained that hepatitis C is transmitted through blood and that it may be passed from a mother to infant during pregnancy. He also warned that sharing of needles and syringes increases the risk of Hep C transmission among drug users. Dr. Mongjam also stated that Churachandpur is the highest infected district in the state. He said that treatment centers are opened in Imphal East, West and Churachandpur districts to prevent HIV, AIDS and hepatitis C infection since the population of injecting drug users is very high in these districts. Dr. Mongjam also stated that hepatitis C infection has been found across population and not only among drug users and sex workers. He mentioned that recent review of Jenim's blood bank record showed HIV infection rate at 0.2%, while hepatitis C infection rate was found to be 1.1%. The doctor showed that Hep C can be cured if treated properly within 3 to 6 months of infection. A discussion program was also held on the occasion.
Hepatitis C is a drug users kakta libra karam population the lady gain a young by population ama high taragati female sex worker mark the cam lay MSM population mark the cam lay adagi tongan tonba population marak sidis the cam lay gain a young basiki markta particularly voluntary blood donors in Gimarakta, Moina donate or blood chinksing Marakta, HIV cam yaurage, Hibasisu, just example amona Janimski Lariba records young Kacharuni, Mazda Laramisi, HIV Sumnagi 0.2% Oibakanda, hepatitis CD 1.1% Larambase, voluntary blood donor Markta Larambagi Sangsi thing. It is not only confined to the injecting drug users. General population in a Kanba, Adugama Safari in a Kanba, Adugamba population, Laramie, it is alarming Hypopoto, Maduna Konamayam, the Tamjanibus.
Kangla Religious Committee Kangla in a press release informed that Sanamahi Cheng Hongba ceremony will be performed at Liningtho Sanamahi Shrine in Kangla on June 17. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Film Forum Manipur cleaning up Kekrupat ahead of June 18 commemoration event. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Film Forum Manipur today carried out a cleanliness drive at Kekrupat in Minuthong ahead of June 18 uprising commemoration event. Speaking to media, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Mangol Jao, stated that their cleanliness drive was carried out in tribute to those who laid down their lives to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur on June 18 in 2001.
Lakadurba tang tarani pangi the Great June Uprising Unity Day celebration adugi aikoi mateng to boina aidi lepaki issue da thawai thakiba kaya dubo aikoi ningsing jarakanda lehoriba aikoi ngasi society de hingmineriba aikoi su makhoi gumna makhoi gi khudung ilakanda aikoi iramdam irepaki damta kariu makhardi tofum thu I haibu unna ba haidana aikoi film forum na singjaraga aikoi film fraternity gi member mayam si aikoi mafam sida khara taru tanana thamnana ba mafam sibu hayeng miyam tin bayana ba na hone lakpani.
Script submissions for the second Manipur Film Script Competition to be organized by Senior Writers and Playwrights Forum CWPF Manipur has been extended till June 30. The forum informed the writers to submit 3 printed copies each of their script at the office of Film Forum Manipur in Lamphel or at the forum's office in Uripok within June 30. Principal Secretary of Textiles, Commerce and Industry P. Vaifei called upon to rework the handlooms and handicraft products of the state to meet the market demands. He was speaking in the one-day workshop on export promotion of handloom and handicrafts organized by Handlooms and Textiles Department at Classic Grande in Chingmerong today, stating that the handlooms and handicraft products of the state is in high demand even at national and international markets. P. Vaifei encouraged state artisans to come up with quality products to satisfy customer needs. He also called on to make the best use of internet to market the products. Joint Director of Handloom Export Promotion Council, the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, Sundar Murugesan, Director of Handlooms and Textiles, K. Lamli Kamei, Joint Director E. Jiten, top officials of Handlooms and Textiles Department, many artisans and weavers attended the workshop.
ꯃꯤꯅ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯕ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ, ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯙꯔꯃꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤ, ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯛꯂꯦꯡ ꯂꯦꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯛꯁꯆꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯑꯞꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯧꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯑꯁꯤ. ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯩꯅ ꯇꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤ. ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ, ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ, ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ, ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯅꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ. ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ आइडेंटिटी ngak senabagi ama tungana isagi sen phangnabagi livelihood phangnabagi multi pronged thinking da wakhan khan tharaga khudongchaba mayam silausi.
All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association organized a discussion program on the provision of fertilizers provided by the government and impact on farmers at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking at the event, Secretary General of All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association, W. Inau, stated that farmers of the state are facing major inconvenience due to lack of a proper agricultural policy in the state. He maintained that farmers are suffering I beg your pardon, due to scarcity and exorbitant rate of fertilizers.
Chahi kudingi akoina Manipur da urea har si mai phangdabagi amsung phangabasu madu mamal hena phangbagi langmi singda wa mayong aribsi asidi mayong adun lai anuna akoina asigumba mayong aribsi asigi tongan tongan ba rurko sing adu akoina mafam matamgi matung ina akoina madu thiraba matungda akoina phangjarakpa madugi finding sing adu akoina thamjai aduga thamma matungda madu hairiba sing adu karamna solve tawgedage habisi sigi oiba solution si Manipur agriculture department mapung ina Manipur lengangna adugi asoba lor lama lawbagi tangai phadal thulai chahi kudingi akoina.
The Department of Agriculture and the Garden Care, in collaboration with Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region Agriculture, distributed paddy seeds like Paudi RC Money, Pau 7, RC Money, Pau 13, and black aromatic rice for cultivation this summer to FIG farmers of Andhra and Huikup today. Black aromatic rice seeds were also distributed to farmers of Churachandpur district. Proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur Maoists in a press release denied taking away food grains provided under AAY BPL scheme for the destitute families of Wangkai Assembly constituency. Asserting that it has always fought against poverty, the outfit warned against further arguments. Ward Development Committee of Imphal Municipal Corporation Ward number 6 felicitated meritorious students of the area for the first time today. Corporator of IMC Ward number 6, Torangbam Indrajit, President of Uripok Ahanthem Lekai Development Organization, Oinam Chauba, Deputy Director of the Environment Department, Torangbam Brajakumar, Principal of Manipur Public School, Sagolsem Premabati and many people in the area attended the event held at Oripok Hanthem Lekai Community Hall. Speaking in the event, Corporator Taurangbam Indrajit asserted that holding of such felicitation programs will encourage and motivate students' fraternity. 62 students of the ward who passed in first division in the recently announced class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSEM, COSEM and CBSC were felicitated during the event. Bishnupur Educational Trust today presented the 23rd Meritorious Award in commemoration of late Laishram Roman, Thokchom Ibeton and Hamom Premananda to students of Bishnupur municipal area who secured above 65% in this year's class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSEM and COSEM. 55 students were felicitated with cash awards and certificates during the event held at Bishnupur Kiamba Shanglen. President of Bishnupur Education Trust Y. Maipak Chothe, retired lecturer of Bishnupur Higher Secondary School, Kangembam Ibeton, attended the event. Taubul Kabui Merit Award Scholarship Committee TKMASC Taubul also held its 27th Meritorious Prize distribution at Taubul Kabui Primary School in Bishnupur district yesterday. 32 students were felicitated with cash awards and gifts in 3 categories during the event. Raj Medicity will conduct a week-long free medical checkup at Raj Medicity Hospital under its corporate social responsibility scheme from June 16 till 22nd. Speaking to media, Chairman and Managing Director of the hospital, H. Rajan, stated that the camp was chiefly held to provide assistance to the public. He asserted that checkup on surgical oncology, urology, general surgery, ENT, obstetrics and gynae, ortho and general medicine will be provided during the camp.
Private hospital ma urega jo paisa ngi to bui wakhan je khoi leita ba akhoi ge corporate social responsibility hai ba dum ba khoi ge project ama hak lei khoi ge scheme ama hobudagi sum tawra lakwa natural calamity thokpa kaya ama ka adagi social issue kaya da casualty thokpa khopa amadi leita laira bomb blast thokpa khopa Manipur gi matam gi lakpa issue kaya LP gi khangde amoi khangde lakpa kaya se je khoi dum share to la angam ba thak Manipur gi leita laira khara da wor su khoi angam ma ting pi bungam na ba na adu wakhalon da tor khibna akhoi gi press note happy ba poor in the needy people has mas ayam ba nam khoi na oina tawgul adu makhoi na ta ba kana gumba gentleman ka well to do to family ke kamuna la ga su khoi loina ma du allow to one private
Youth Unity Development Organization Yumnam Huidrom Makhalekai, Yumnam Huidrom Makhalekai Merapai Bilub, Directorate of Ayush and UPF Yumnam Huidrom Local Council jointly organized one-day free health camp under the aegis of the Directorate of Ayush Lamfelpat at Imphal West Yumnam Huidrom Makhalekai Community Hall today. Dr. S. Vishwanath, Dr. P. Boton, Dr. Bidyapati Sarangthem, Dr. Thuigang Gonmai, Dr. Nisha Kontaujam, Dr. P. Boton and 6 paramedical staffs carried out medical checkup in the camp. President of local club Y. Somendro and people of the area attended the event. A new home automized experience center of Nibia device was opened at LI Shopping Complex at Singjamei Bazaar today. The center, which is opened for the first time in the state, will collaborate with India's renowned company, Build Track Company. A dealer of India's renowned West Bengal-based steel company, Shyam Steel, was opened in the state today. The company's dealer launching event was held at Classic Hotel. Company's regional manager of Northeast, Prankur Varshnaya, and proprietor of the company's Manipur dealer, United Enterprises, Chingmerong, Jayananda Laitonjam, graced the event. The 60-year-old company's product TMT rebar has been leading in India's steel industry. Shyam Steel Company will provide scholarship to girl students of below poverty line families and will also extend financial aids to parents during their marriage.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁ ꯗꯥꯜꯃꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯃꯦꯟ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯀꯣ ꯌꯣꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯃꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯗꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯃꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯛ ꯖꯣꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯤꯖꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯁꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯜꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯃꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ TMT ꯕꯥꯔ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯇ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯐꯔꯕ ꯄꯥꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯜꯁꯦ.
A team of Taubal Police Station led by SIL Prem Kumar under the supervision of SDPO Taubal M. Biswarjit seized one stolen Hyundai i20 bearing registration number MN06LA5306 this afternoon from one Ningthaujam Shamo of Wangjing, Sorokhaibam Lekai. The said vehicle was handed over to a team of Meghalaya Police led by SI Lafrang Kupar Dingdo. Now the sports news. Manipur has bagged the overall team champion of the 8th Thangta Federation Cup 2019. All Tripura Thangta Association organized a 4-day championship under the aegis of Thangta Federation of India at Swami Vivekananda Sardha Satabarshiki Bhavan in Dharamnagar district of North Tripura since June 12. Speaking in the closing ceremony today, Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, recently elected President of Thangta Federation of India, Narengbam Samarjit, declared to establish a Thangta University in Manipur in 3 years. 303 players from 20 states took part in the event in sub-junior, junior and senior categories. Manipur bagged 90 gold, 17 silver and 13 bronze to secure the top slot, followed by Tripura and Assam in the second and third spots respectively. President of World Federation of Thangta, H. Prem Kumar, said that efforts are on to promote indigenous Thangta to the levels of Khelo India and Olympics. He urged the Chief Minister of Manipur to promote the sport. Salai Chairman Samarjit also presented financial assistance of 1 lakh rupees to all Tripura Thangta Association on the occasion. Bishnupur District Youth Affairs and Sport kicked off 6-month regular Wushu coaching class at Ningthaukhong Mangolnganbi College today. YAS Wushu coach M. Ronel will be the trainer. Speaking to media, Daiso Bishnupur T.H. Tomba stated that a t-shirt each and refreshment will be provided to the attending 88 girl and boy Wushu players coming from various parts of the district as instructed by the Director of Youth Affairs and Sports. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. MPCC President Gaikangam alleges BJP government of violating Indian Constitution's Article 166 Clause 3, demands fresh Lok Sabha polls for Manipur. CCSK condemns political tug-of-war by state leaders amid doldrums over various existing unresolved issues and restlessness in the state. And Manipur bags overall team champion of 8th Thangta Federation Cup 2019 held in Tripura since June 12.